100 English phrases you must know. Start from zero, turn on subtitles. Greetings and introductions. What's up? What's up? Long time no see. Long time no see. How's it going? How's it going? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What brings you here? What brings you here? I've heard a lot about you. I've heard a lot about you. Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon. Gotta run. Gotta run. Hit me up later. Hit me up later. Take care. Take care. Everyday phrases. No worries. No worries. I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. That makes sense. That makes sense. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It depends. It depends. That's crazy. That's crazy. I feel you. I feel you. Not really. Not really. Kind of. Kind of. Thoughts and emotions. I'm into it. I'm into it. I don't buy it. I don't buy it. I'm down. I'm down. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. That was insane. That was insane. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. You nailed it. You nailed it. Chill out. Chill out. Motivation and support. You got this. You got this. Keep it up. Keep it up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Way to go. Way to go. You're crushing it. You're crushing it. Go for it. Go for it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Stay strong. Stay strong. You've grown a lot. You've grown a lot. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Conflict phrases. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Back off. Back off. That's not fair. That's not fair. You've crossed the line. You've crossed the line. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. That's not what I said. That's not what I said. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Calm down. Calm down. Let's not fight. Let's not fight. Agree to disagree. Agree to disagree. Slang and cool expressions. No cap. No cap. For real. For real. I'm broke. I'm broke. That's lit. That's lit. Low key, high key. Low key, high key. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. That's sus. That's sus. I'm dead. I'm dead. Period. Period. Time markers. Once in a while. Once in a while. All of a sudden. All of a sudden. Right away. Right away. From now on. From now on. So far. So far. In the long run. In the long run. At the moment. At the moment. For good. For good. In no time. In no time. Every now and then. Every now and then. Fair enough. Fair enough. Got it? Got it? It depends. It depends. Makes sense? Makes sense. Let's move on. Let's move on. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. Well done. Well done. I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. No problem. No problem. Business English. Let's get started. Let's get started. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. I'm running late. I'm running late. Sounds good. Sounds good. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. What do you think? What do you think? I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure about it. Let me double check. Let me double check. It's a win-win. It's a win-win. Let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. Useful phrases. It is what it is. It is what it is. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Let me know. Let me know. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. No big deal. No big deal. Better late than never. Better late than never. I'm all set. I'm all set. Don't push it. Don't push it. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. Practice every day, you'll see results. See you tomorrow.